What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investing with Jax. We're gonna go over Cardano, guys. ADA currently sitting at $1.34. Market cap is sitting at 42.9 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 940 million. So let's hop straight into it. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app through my referral and receive $25 for free in crypto. All right, guys. So I just want to quickly show it to you on the weekly. So Cardano, along with Polygon, very strong project, continuing to hold the 20 EMA as support, and we have not seen Cardano break the 20 EMA here on our bull run, which is a beautiful sign. The last time we broke the 20 EMA was all the way back in March of 2020. All right, guys. So that's always something to keep an eye on. Your projects that are still above the 20 EMA on this massive correction, those can show you the strength of the project. We are still seeing that descending volume we've been seeing across the board, and hopefully we see a little spike in volume pretty soon here. So let's jump into the daily time frame. So we had this descending triangle that I've been going over on the channel, and we've had a breakout. Now your technical target here is all the way up. Whoa, a little bit of glitch here. Oh, feel free to put it on 1.5, 2 times speed. Your technical target is all the way up here, guys, at about $2.50. Now we've had shady volume. I mean, look at the volume, guys. It's absolutely depleted into nothing. So what we might see is a bit of a fake out here where we just roll over and we come back down, but we have broken out of this descending triangle, and that is your target. So maybe slowly but surely we'll get back above the EMAs, and we'll slowly make it back up to this target here at $2.50 if we see that recovery here with Bitcoin. All right, guys. So let's hop over to the 4-hour time frame. So we had our rising wedge here. We fell out, we found support, and we made it all the way up to the 1.414, which was at $1.48, which was a previous level support in this area. Support here, a lot of support and resistance in this area, as well as previous swing high, previous swing high, previous swing high. So major level of resistance there. And we saw a little bit of rollover. So we're going to take our Fibonacci out here. So you can see on the short, in the short term, we are in an uptrend. You have your low, you have a higher low. You have a higher low right here, and you're coming up. Our wick did come right down to test this level of support, but technically if this is our low, we would have a higher low right here as well, and we are also creating higher highs. You have a high, you have a higher high, this wick right here, and then you have a higher high right here. So it would be crucial if we're going to see continuation to the upside for XRP to hold this crucial level of support. Let me give it a little price tag at about $1.32, which has been acting as a major level of support for quite some time here, supporting this area. These wicks came down to that $1.32 in here as well. So $1.32 would be a major level of support. If we were to break that, then I think we would roll over. We'd see that reversal in the trend where we start to come back down to find support, possibly in this area at about $1.16, $1.17. And then we might come down all the way back down to about $1 here. That was our breakdown target from our ascending triangle. I talked about us coming down to that $1 technical target, and that's exactly what happened. We came down all the way down to that $1 and we bounced. So if we lose this level of support at $1.32, we start creating lower lows. We might see that reversal in the trend where we come back down to test that $1 zone. And then we have 81 cents if we were to break that, which is a previous swing low, right, guys? So that about 98 cents to $1 is a previous swing high. We lose that, you target your previous swing low down here at about 81 cents. So there was a small little pattern that I noticed here on the hourly that I'd like to show you guys. And it's a little bit of an ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. We are back above the 20 EMA. So if you do see us start to break out of this pattern here, let me quickly take this line out. So if you do see us start to break above this pattern here and back test it as support, then you can see a nice little trade. If it's backed up by some volume, guys, the volume has been shady for quite some time, but if it is backed up by some volume, you can see a nice little trade here that would bring you up to a previous level of resistance. You can see resistance in this area, resistance right here as well, at about $1.37, which could be a nice little trade of about almost 2% here. Now, if we were to fall out, of course, you would have your technical target to the downside. That would bring you down to about $1.31. So keep an eye on that little pattern there. could be a nice little trading opportunity. Of course, keep your eye on the volume. If you do see that breakout to the upside, look for a little bit of increase in volume here, because the volume has been super shady of late. All right, guys, so just a little short one for ADA, a little update here. We will give some future price targets based off our Fibonacci. Let me quickly take my little squiggly out here, and we'll go from the previous swing high down to our swing low. So if this is our true bottom here at about 97 cents, not promised of course, but we can give some future price targets based off that. Up here at the 1.272, which is at about $3.09, we have the 1.414 at about $3.55, and we have the 1.618, which is up here at about $4.30 for Cardano, and we saw that increase up to the 1.618. It's about a 215% gain here for Cardano. All right, guys, so nice to see a little breakout from our descending triangle here. However, the volume is shady down here. As you can see, we've just have been having depleting volume, but that can lead to a major spike in volume and a huge breakout, as I've been covering on the channel here. So keep an eye on that as well. However, if we do continue to have low volume, I think the bearish scenario is more likely. All right, guys, so please keep an eye on that volume, and hopefully we see that spike that we've all been waiting for to continue on this bull run. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Smash that like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.